Hello and welcome to Nigerian Food Channel. It's your boy Phrankleen. Here's another fantastic episode for you. So today we're making chicken pepper soup. Okay, so I'm going to take you through my ingredients very quickly. In the pot here, I've got hard chicken, pieces of hard chicken, mostly thighs, and then a few of the chicken body parts. I've already cleaned them to save time. They're in the pot. Now I'm going to take you through the other ingredients on here. I've got my sliced Scotch bonnet. They're quite small, so I've just sliced 2 of them. Here I've got my ground crayfish. I've got 2 Maggi cubes, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. Here I've got 1 tablespoon, sorry, I've got half a teaspoon of ground ginger. My bad. Here I've got 1 and a bit of, tablespoon of pepper soup spice that's already mixed and blended. Okay, I've got my salt, I've got my already chopped onions, and so the next thing now is to get this on fire. Okay, I'm gonna get this on fire right now. Add some water, throw in my Maggi cubes, throw in my chopped onions, throw in a bit of salt. Okay, this has been on fire for about 12 minutes. What I didn't tell you from the start is I am going to add slices of yam. Okay, I've got some yam. Now, please take note, you can make your chicken pepper soup without yam. Just by itself, you can get it done and enjoy it. I usually use yam or unripe plantain. If you look at the top of the screen, you see a link to some of my previous pepper soup videos, and you see me using plantain and stuff. So I'm going to add some yam chunks now. I've already washed the yam and spread them out nicely. So I am now going to add my seasonings, right? So in goes everything. Everything. There you go. We stir. I am going to add just a little bit of water. Okay. A tiny bit more salt, not a lot. We stir, and I'm going to leave that on fire for 10 more minutes to allow the yam to get properly cooked. I'll add my scent leaves. Scent leaves are very good for pepper soup. Okay, I'll just throw them in to help garnish. I tasted it earlier. The taste is coming together, so we're just gonna let this, like I say, cook a bit more. Here you go, guys. This is my chicken pepper soup served with yam cubes. This is really nice. You can also make this with unripe, plantain. They go well as well. Or you can make this just by itself without adding, the yam cubes. It's pretty optional. So that's it. Very easy to make. Go ahead and make yours. If you haven't, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, show your love. Follow me on Instagram at The Nigerian Food Channel, and on Facebook at Nigerian Food Channel. Okay, it's your boy Phrankleen. Feel free to look through my channel for some of my old videos and the new ones that are going to follow this one. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love. Bye now.